Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one. Now, to be fair and to give credit where credit's due, from where things started, I mean, all the way down here, it did recover back upwards nicely, but still ultimately had a downward slant to it in terms of, you can see right there that resistance trend line right there. So yeah, opening 30 minutes, the buyer showed up, but then after that, it was pretty much just a slow, steady bleed the rest of the day downwards. So that's going to be that first key level of resistance to watch very closely, is that trend line right there. But I mean, even if the price does break above the trend line, there's still work to do, because the next level of resistance not that far off, which would be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at right around 69.25. But point here being that those are going to be the main areas of resistance, that trend line, and then that purple line right there are going to be, like I said, those main areas, assuming the price bounces back upwards. But with that final 30 minutes, being and given, a pretty big red candle right there, I think the main dynamic going forward, and the level that I know I'll be watching, and I'm sure a lot of other traders will be watching, is going to be right down there around 63.75. That was a pretty significant level here. That's where that lower bounce occurred. And while nothing is guaranteed, I don't think anybody would be shocked to see that if the price does break down through 63.75, that creating some downward selling pressure, and very well potentially bringing the price down to at least retest that area down there around 61.50, if not even lower than that. Now, if 61.50 fails, then things could get pretty nasty there, but we'll see if the price can even get down to 61.50. But I think it seems likely that 63.75 will at least get tested. Is it going to fail? I don't know about that one, but as of right now, at least getting tested, yeah, absolutely. So 63.75, keep a close eye on that. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this thing just all of a sudden decides to turn itself around, and if it does, that's where those levels of resistance will come into play. But we'll see how this one plays out on Tuesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.